Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email template in Canva and connect it with Mailchimp step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or someone just starting out with email marketing, this is going to be super helpful. But before we jump in, let's quickly go over what Canva and Mailchimp actually do, just so we're all on the same page. Canva is a free web-based design tool that makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful graphics, presentations, and email templates. No design experience needed. You can use it right in your browser, and it comes loaded with free templates, drag and drop tools, lots of photos, fonts, icons, and more. So whether you want to design social media posts, presentations, flyers, or in this case an email layout, Canva makes the whole process fast and easy. It also lets you create brand kits, save designs and folders, and even collaborate with your team in real time. Now let's talk about Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a powerful email marketing platform. You can build and manage your email list, send campaigns, and track how your emails perform. Now when you combine Canva's design flexibility with Mailchimp's email power, you've got a wonderful combination for awesome newsletters. So Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience through email. It's especially popular with small businesses, creators, and even non-profits because it's beginner-friendly and gives you tools to grow your list, send campaigns, and track results. Alright, so first things first, if you don't have an account already, you can sign up using this, or if you do have an account, you can simply just log in. Alright, so once you log in or sign up, this is your Mailchimp dashboard, your home base for everything email marketing. It's clean, simple, and everything you need is here. So here you can see create email, and it also gives you like an overview of your email performance. Then right at the top here, you can see some quick actions like import contact, add a single contact, create automation, connect integration, all of that. You can see some sections on your left-hand menu. You can see campaigns. This is where you can create emails, newsletters, landing pages, and even social posts. And here you've got automations if you want Mailchimp to do the work for you, like sending a welcome email every time someone joins your list. This is the place for automations. You've also got forms, you've got audience. You can think of this as where you store your contacts, or your subscribers will be stored here, and you can organize them using tags, groups, or segments. And when you start sending emails, you want to track how they're doing. This is where you get all the insights you need. Then you've got website, content, and integrations. Great, now that we're inside the dashboard, the first thing we want to do is go to our left-hand menu, click on create, then click on email, and then we'll go with the regular one. So let's just call this email June Essentials. I'm just going to quickly type it in, June Essentials. All right, next, Mailchimp gives you 3 starting options using the blank canvas, that's starting from scratch. There's a basic layout or a fully designed template. I'll go with the basic layout because it gives us just enough structure to work with, and it's perfect if you're planning to add your own visuals. All right, so we want a simple and clean layout. You can see that you've got different options. There's minimal, there's bold, natural. It all depends on what you want. So let's just go with this one. So you can even preview it to see what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the desktop view and this is the mobile view. Okay, so let's select this one. Click on apply. Alright, now we're inside the email builder. This is where it all happens. Over here on the left, you can see that you've got some tools. These include all the essential building blocks for an email. First, you've got your heading, then you've got your paragraph, button, you've got your divider, spacer, image, even where to add your logo, and the rest of the tools here. So they're pretty useful. There's also a style section just by the left here. So this just lets you customize your font style, size, colors, and background for your entire email. Yeah, and now just in the middle, you can see the basic layout. We've got at the top, you can see that there's a placeholder for like your email banner. Then you've got some text here. Down here, there's a provision to upload an image. So you could just find an image that you want, and we're going to use Canva for that. And then down here, there's like a call to action button that can be edited. So you can adjust this to match your email. Yeah, so you can see that you've got all the tools you need. So now what we want to do is find an email banner, and that's where Canva comes in. So let's go over to Canva now. All right, so if you don't have an account, you can simply just sign up. There's usually a provision to sign up here, or just log in. I'm already logged in, so let's just go straight into the dashboard. Great, so now we're in the Canva dashboard. So this is what it looks like. You can see you've got some different tools here. You've got create, project, templates, brand, and the rest of them. And just in the middle, you can see some quick tools like t-shirts, sheet, doc, and all the other things that you might need. But for this tutorial, of course, we're focusing on getting an email banner. So we're just going to come to the search bar here and search for email banner. So once you do that, you see that you've got a lot of options to choose from. So you can just keep scrolling until you find something that you want, like this one. Just click on it, and then next thing is to click on customize this template. Let's get creative with it. So now you can fully customize this email banner. If you want to get rid of everything, you can simply just click on delete. If you want to get rid of the background, you can just click on it and then select delete, and it just gives you a clean canvas. You can also get rid of this. So now you've got a clean canvas to work with. If you want to change the color, you can just come here, select a color. Okay, let's go with this one. Looks nice. Now that we've chosen the color, we can just edit the text. I'm just going to quickly get rid of this. Okay. All right, so I just changed the color a bit. You can see it's quite simple. And once you're done, all you need to do is just download it. So you can use it on Mailchimp. Just click on download. As you can see, PNG is already suggested as the file format. So we're just going to go with it and then click on download. And of course, if you'd like to change the label of the image, you can simply just come here and just change it. All right, then, so let's carry on. Now we want to add our email banner, so we're just going to click here and then click on select logo, upload image. We'll select our file and click on open. Great, we've successfully added our email banner. So if you want to make it bigger, you can just click on fill. That just makes the size a bit bigger. Okay, next you can edit the text to match your email. So you can just simply do that here, just make some changes. All right, so we've added an email banner, edited the text. Now all we need to do is add an image, and now we have to go back to Canva. All right, now we've got a clean canvas again. We're going to create an image, something that matches our email. Our email is talking about fashion and some must-haves for June. So we're just going to find something related to that. Of course, if you're running a clothing store or anything about fashion, you should already have images that you'd like to use. But now we're just going to find something in Canva that we could use for our email. So let's go with this one. Now we can just edit the text so it suits our email. All right, so I just edited the text. Okay, great. Then I'll just get rid of these. So let's just get rid of this too. Now let's just download it. Just click on download and then the image will be saved. Now we'll come back here, click on the image section and then add an image. To do that, you just click on add and then click on upload. We'll just go ahead and select the image, click on open. Excellent, so now we've added our image. It's time to edit our call to action button. Great, so we just changed this to shop now. There's even an option to embed a link there. So this is what your email is going to look like. To get a clearer view, let's just click on preview to see what it's going to look like. So this is what it's going to look like in your desktop. And then your mobile view, of course. You've also got inbox. So when it's sent to your subscribers, of course, for this view, you're going to have to upgrade your account, but you can see the mobile view and the desktop view. So now you can just come down here to the footer and adjust it and make the needed changes. All right, once I hit save and exit, I'm on the final setup page for the campaign. This is where we get everything ready to send. So you can either send it right away or just finish later. And that's it. We just created a simple email campaign in Mailchimp, starting from scratch, designing our layout and adding a custom banner and image made in Canva to give it a more personalized touch. Thank you very much for watching.